up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in this week's video, I'm gonna share a recipe that was inspired by the theme of giving. You know, it's the holiday season, you know, a lot of people are sharing gifts with one another. And I was thinking about a recipe that I could take to work to share with my coworkers. So I am going to show you how to make some soft chew caramels. I am going to give the disclaimer that this is my first time making this recipe, so you will see my noviceness, that's a word, displayed on camera. But don't worry, don't fret, because these soft caramel chews are popping. Like, I was doing a lot of taste testing once they were finally done. So if you're interested in seeing how I make these soft caramel chews, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're gonna do is mix all your ingredients together. So I've got 2 cups of granulated white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. And now I'm gonna take a moment to show you guys this really cool product from KitchenMama. And it looks like your typical, you know, electric can opener, but it's really cool because it does all the work for you. Like, ta-da, I'm done. Safely able to remove my lid so I can add 1 cup of evaporated milk. That's going to be followed by 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to add some light corn syrup, 1 cup. And I'm going to add in some butter. So you'll need 2 sticks of butter to give you a total of 1 cup. So now I've just moved our pot with all of our ingredients to the stove top, and I started on medium high heat. I've got a candy thermometer and I'm waiting for it to get to 245 degrees roughly. Remember in the intro I told you this is my first time making this? Well, I found out that I should have got a bigger pot. So I cleaned my stove and moved it over to a different, bigger pot. All right, now that I've taken it off the heat, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our vanilla extract, give everything a mix. And off screen, I went ahead and greased a pan. And I went ahead and poured the mixture into there, waited for it to cool completely before I went ahead and sliced and cut individual pieces of the caramel chews. And I just took some parchment paper, you can use wax paper, whatever you've got handy, to put each piece of the soft caramel chew in a piece of the parchment paper and then just twirl the sides. And that's it, you guys. I put these in a holiday tin so that way I could share them with my coworkers. Be sure to let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.